Hello, residents of the universe. Welcome to Ways to Human. My name is AJ. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the binary understanding of human biological sex. Let's explore why scientists believe that this notion is far more complex than what it seems. For a long time, society has categorized individuals strictly as male or female, based on chromosomes and physical traits. However, an article published in Nature highlights why this binary classification is oversimplified. The concept that we currently teach to children in middle school is very simplistic in order to be taught to young children without it being too complicated. But the truth is, it is complicated. So it isn't until college that most people learn the full extent of the process the body goes through to determine biological sex, starting at conception, including chromosomes, genes, hormones, brain anatomy, and reproductive organs. But each of these elements can vary significantly among individuals, leading to a spectrum of sex characteristics. Some researchers now say that as many as 1 in 100 individuals have some form of variation of sex development, meaning that they are not 100% male or female. They have discovered this by studying the variations in genes. These genes have small effects on a person's anatomical or physiological sex. Sometimes they're physically visible, and sometimes they're inside their body, so they're not discovered until they have imaging or blood work. Think about it this way. If you have 100 people in a room, statistically, one of them will have a variation in sex development traits. This means you more than likely know at least one person who is either intersex or transgender. This prevalence highlights that sex differentiation isn't strictly binary, but exists on a spectrum. In addition to that, about 1 in 2,000 intersex individuals will require surgical intervention. Thanks to modern genetics, we have discovered the SRY gene, typically found in the male Y chromosome and responsible for male development. This gene can sometimes be translocated to an X chromosome. This results in an individual with the typically female XX chromosomes developing male characteristics. So they are chromosomally female, but anatomically male or intersex. The opposite can also happen if someone is born with the typically male XY chromosomes but missing the SRY gene. They will fail to develop testes and will usually develop female characteristics. So they are chromosomally male but anatomically female. At the Royal Melbourne Hospital in Australia, a pregnant woman who underwent testing to screen for chromosome abnormalities in her baby revealed something astonishing about her rather than the baby. We all have 2 copies of each gene in each cell. In her case, the woman had one set of cells carrying 2 XX chromosomes or female, and the other carrying XY chromosomes, typically male. Half the cells in her body were chromosomally male. She was both male and female or intersex. Scientists argue that understanding the complexity of sex differentiation is crucial for improving medical care and social inclusion. The problem with the current binary concept of strictly male or female is that the legal systems do not accommodate individuals with difference in biological sex. This can significantly impact a person's legal rights. Embracing a more open view of biological sex can lead to better support and acceptance for intersex and transgender individuals. It challenges us to move beyond the rigid classifications and appreciate the rich diversity of human nature to build a stronger, kinder, and supportive society. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.